the thigh of the biggest panther who is actually tired and still wants to celebrate and still wants to fight for his team. 1 point separates now these two teams. Another point here for Ashu Malik. Can be lethal, and it is a multi-point raid, and the girls are loving this. The Ashu Malik multi-point raid has been really on the top of his mark. If that's what I was just trying to say, if Ashu Malik gets a point, it is going to be lethal, and they are counting men. They are really counting men, and the kids are also happy. Murthal Magnets have come back into this game with this one raid. How many points is the question? Oh, super duper raid! AKV wall putties. It's not just a super raid, it's a super duper raid, I should say. He's cleaned up the entire Periyar Panthers hope and also the entire team. Naveen Sharma sleeping off, Anish, Ashish Narwal, everybody getting into the thick of the action and has to go back on the bench.
Naveen.
Now it is just Monu Jakar, Rashid. It is just, oh no, in fact it is Ravi Tehlan.
Yes.
I thought it's Monu Jakar, correction, it's Ravi Tehlan, the defender. He has to save Periyar Panthers now.
माइटी मैजिकल डुबकी वहां पर नजर आई, वो अनमैच रेड का प्रदर्शन नजर आया आशु अद्भुत मलिक से, परंतु अब अगर रवि तहलान पॉइंट नहीं ले पाए तो शायद निश्चित तौर पर ये मुकाबला क्या कुछ खिलाड़ियों का रिवाइवल मिल पाएगा, क्या नवीन कुछ खिलाड़ियों का रिवाइवल मिल पाएगा, सेल्फ आउट हुए हैं और जितना हम चीख रहे हैं, जितना हम चिल्ला रहे हैं, उतना ही मोहित हुडा साहब, ओ नो, सुपर रेड है ये नवीन, AKV वॉल पुट्टी सुपर रेड, आर यू बिलीविंग, are you on your mind, Naveen?
Yeah, it is not a super raid, but I'll tell you something. It is a 3-point raid. I agree that, but it is the 2 points going as the extras. It is not the touch point. It will not go to Ravi Tehlan, and it is the super tackle. Will it happen? Will it happen? No, Ashu Malik will not allow that to happen, and it's an all-out. Mohit Huda Saab cannot believe this. He cannot believe this. This is the all-out that was required even before Ravi Tehlan did this. But Ashu Malik somewhere got caught in the super tackle. But look at that. Sagar and Monu Jakar, two raiders, cannot stop it. 45 now for the Murthal Magnets, and from here on in, it is tough. It is tough for the Periyar Panthers. I'm sorry, Mohit Huda Saab. This is going to get tough for you people.
Naveen, I have no words to explain the feelings. कोई शब्द नहीं बचे हैं, शब्दों से मैं खाली हो गया हूं। जिस तरह का कबड्डी के लिए जिस तरह का ये खेल है ना, गूज बम्स वहां पर आते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, जिसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है कि रोंगटे खड़े कर देने वाला ये मुकाबला है। और क्या मुकाबला है, नो डाउट एट ऑल। इसमें कोई भी जीतेगा तो सिर्फ महज कबड्डी का खेल। जो दर्शनीय, जो प्रशंसनीय, जो उमंग नजर आई है, जो चेतना नजर आई है, जिसे आपने एक्सप्लेन किया नवीन, नो डाउट एट ऑल। वहां पर दो खिलाड़ी थे, मोनू जाकर भी समझ गए थे, मोहित हुडा साहब भी समझ गए थे कि ये मुकाबला अब समाप्ति की तरफ बढ़ चुका है। एक एक पॉइंट से देखिए, बूंद बूंद से सागर आप नहीं भर सकते हैं, घड़ा आप भर सकते हैं, परंतु अब उस समय नहीं बचा है। सही किया मनीष धुल ने, कप्तान है, जानते हैं, और ये है वो इमोशन, ये है वो इमोशन नवीन।
I can't see this. I really cannot see this. Please, I request my director to come back with the RF camera. Please don't cut to this shot of Murthal Magnets. I'm really sorry for this. I'm really sorry, Mohit Huda Saab. I understand your emotions. I totally understand your emotions. Murthal Magnets are the champions of the inaugural Yuva Kabaddi series here, and what a win! What a win! And Mohit Huda Saab does not even want to come on the mat. Oh, he is really disappointed. My heart goes out for the Periyar Panthers, guys. You've been awesome. You've been amazing. You've been astonishing. But the Murthal Magnets are magnificent, and they have been marvelous. They have been multiple levels better than you. I'm so sorry there for the Periyar Panthers, but the Murthal Magnets edging this past in the last two raids of Ashu Malik. One, the super raid, and then the all-out. That's it. And game over. Murthal Magnets' name will be etched in gold in the history books. They are the champions of the Yuva Kabaddi series, and like how, winning the 20 lakh rupees prize money also.